Aloha hekea. Aloha mehana. E ala mai.
Maluki oi.
Ala mai.
When my wife Ku'ule decided on the path of Hawaiian immersion for our keiki, it was a decision I had to commit to or not commit to. And I live here in Hawaii, I grew up here, and I see how important it is to bring back the Hawaiian language, and I see how important it is to share with them something that has been lost.
I think the language undeniably and permanently ties you to your culture. Pūnana Leo has really given us the foundation to reconnect with my culture, but I think there's this underlying current or understanding motivation to perpetuate these Hawaiian values, the culture, and it comes through the language.
At every one of our Pūnana Leo sites, we're looking for ʻohana that want to have ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi in their homes, in their lives. That ʻohana that want a high-quality education program for their keiki, as well as rooting them in our Hawaiian values. Education starts in Pūnana Leo as soon as the keiki arrive because the keiki have to noi komo or ask permission to enter into the classroom. That's what our ancestors used to do before entering a place. They ask permission, and the keiki are very eager to learn, so it's just them telling their kumu that they're mākua for today and they're ready to learn and to hoʻōla I ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.
I noticed since our keiki started at Pūnana Leo, when they came home, they started doing things that they never used to do, like watering the plants outside. Just little things that I was like, oh, why are they doing that? And then I saw them do it. They're malama aina, they're going and watering the mala. Their love for the aina, it stems from what they're doing in, or I should say outside, the classroom at Pūnana Leo.
We have our mo'oki'ina, which is our cultural education systems. They're learning independence, they're learning respect for not only like themselves, but to their elders, to their peers, and learning to seek education and traditional knowledge, all the core values that we as Kanaka Hawaiʻi have been raised in.
Within 5 months of starting Pūnana Leo, our oldest child, Mehana, she started reading. So she just one day took a book off the shelf and started reading in ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.
The way early literacy is taught in the Pūnana Leo is in a method that has been called the hakalama by the ʻaha Pūnana Leo. And with those 90 syllables, you can create any word, you can read or write any word in the Hawaiian language. In English, you can't learn to read really well until you're at least age 6. That's a huge advantage that the Pūnana Leo children have in that they learn to read early. In Hawaiian, 3 or 4 years old, you can read by syllables.
You don't have to come in really ma'a to ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. That's definitely not where we started. From the moment you step into a Pūnana Leo, they help you with, building that foundation for hoʻōla Hawaiʻi. So you really don't have to start up here. We build together.
How hard is it to learn Hawaiian? It's as hard as you want it to be. I think it's about commitment, about spending time with your keiki, practicing with them. The responsibility is on us, on the people that live here, on the keiki, on the Pūnana Leo to revitalize and bring back the language.
So at Pūnana Leo, we're very understanding that people are on different levels of ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. I nā loaʻa kēlā I ʻini e ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, mai makaʻu, e komo I ka hana no ka mea makahi o ka hana he ola malaila.